Jalyn YouTube channel. Ooh, you guys, it feels like forever since I've seen you guys, but honestly, I miss you guys, and honestly, I've been super busy, so I know a lot of you guys can understand me for that, but I am trying my best. I am definitely going to try my best to try to get some content out for you guys because I know you guys enjoy watching my videos. So yeah, by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a nail set, a nail tutorial. You guys, lately I've been into like doing nails, and let me tell y'all, I'm not a professional. Well, in my head, I'm a professional, but I'm not a professional. And I just feel like, it's always it's always good to try to challenge yourself and see what you are good at. And honestly, I think like I'm good at anything I put my mind to. Anything I try out, I always put my best effort into it, and it always comes out good. And then I just be shocked of myself, like, dang, I just freaking killed that. So you guys, I am going to be doing a nail set on my sister today. This is my first time on a human. I did it on like a little mannequin hand, but it was like kind of hard because it's different from like an actual person and then a mannequin hand, because you never know, like with a human, sometimes by the nail drilling machine, like it starts to burn when you like have it on. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like at the nail spot, it starts to burn. So I always tell her like, hey, let me know when it's gonna start burning, so I know like if I was ever to take this further in my career, like I won't burn other customers. So yeah, she was pretty good with it, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it, and I'm just going to let you guys watch, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you didn't like, make sure you guys like, and we're gonna get straight into the video. So this is what you will need. You will need some nail monomer. I'm almost out, so I have to go to the, nail supply. A nail drill. I also got this at the nail supply as well, with this little buffer thing. It's really good. I need to actually get like something like smaller so this can fit, but we're gonna work with it today. A acrylic brush. This is a number 14. Once you start getting better at nails, you can go up in the numbers, but your girl ain't a pro, so we're gonna be using this one. And then you will need like a liquid holder for your monomer. And then you will need like acrylic. My sister has white nails, so we're just gonna be doing a fill-in today. And then I have some Insta Dry, some clear, just to make it shiny. And then we will need, a file. Excuse my nails, they're not done, but they will be done soon for my birthday. Don't worry about that. Besides that, let's show her nails. So we're going to take the monomer and we're going to put it in our little liquid jar. Let this soak in here. While we let this soak, we're going to buff her nails with the little machine. Don't tell me it's dead. Okay, it's not dead. So after we done filed the top and we got rid of the shiny top coat. We're just gonna dust this off, and as you guys see, I already dust this because this is like literally one of my favorite things to do. So I just like, you know, sweep it, like sweep it because it makes me feel like I'm actually doing something. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into this process. Let's get started. Here's the before, and we're gonna see the after. Now we have a huge bead. I did not mean to grab this huge bead, so I'm just gonna place it on. Trust the process. It's gonna be nice. Trust and believe me that your nails need me. Trust and believe me that your nails need me. So I actually went to go get a new brush. This is my number 12. Honestly, because this brush is too big, I realized that it was not laying right. This is not the brush that I started with. So I think I'm better off with the 12, but you know, I use this only, you know, I'm actually a pro. Don't tell my client right here. But I never really use this brush. So I, like, honestly, this was not laying right for me. So we're just gonna use this 12 and we're going to start fresh. I filled in her nails. Now I'm going to get right there because I missed a spot. But this is before actually, like, you know, smoothing it out, buffering and everything. And the after look is going to be so bomb. I can't wait to see the after look. Like I said, this is my first time doing on a actual human. So I'm kind of nervous, but it's all right. File this nails down just a little bit before I start, you know, using the machine, little nail drill machine. I'm just gonna file them down a little bit. All right, you guys, so here is the nails. They are complete. They have some little rhinestones on. They're so freaking cute. That is the nail set. I think I did really good though. But you guys, let me know what you guys think and rate my nail skills. Honestly, I'm going to be truthful with you guys. I am not a professional, so don't come in my comment section talking about, girl, you wasn't supposed to do this, girl, you wasn't supposed to do this. Let me tell you something. I woke up and I was like, I'm bored, so let me just try to challenge myself of doing nails. So I tried that out, and honestly, I feel like I did good as my first time. So I'm not a pro, I'm just gonna put that out there, but I will be accepting all positive comments, and the comments that are negative are going to be blocked. But let me tell you guys something. Any pro nail techs out there that have any advice for me, let me know in the comment section below, because I am taking advice in case I want to take my, little nail stuff serious. But until then, I'm just gonna keep practicing. I'm gonna just keep having fun with it. It's not something that I thought I would be doing, but hey, I think it's fun. It's very time consuming, and I think it's fun to show my creativity and show express what type of mood I'm in. Do I feel like I want blingy nails? Do I feel like I want, plain white, colorful, summer vibes, winter vibes, fall vibes, whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, make sure you guys leave me a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.